Welcome to your journey home and to the world of XL Homes. This is, without a doubt, one of the most exciting moments in your life. Building a home can be intimidating, especially if you're new to the process. This video will help answer some general questions and provide a brief visual of the overall construction process and what can be expected. Now that you've made all your selections, it's time to watch your dream home come to life. The construction process is approximately 6 to 9 months, depending on weather, trade capacity, and other important factors.
Once your home has been released and the construction process begins, your area sales team will send you regular status updates on your home throughout the building process, including photos.
Let's begin with the process of building your new XL home. Once building permits are approved, the excavation stage begins. Once the basement has been excavated on the lot, the footings are poured and the team will begin cribbing and pouring the foundation with concrete.
After the basement walls have set, the team will install foundation protection and underground services. The municipality will do an inspection and then the lot will be backfilled with dirt to rough grade. Your site superintendent will outline the upcoming construction process, set expectations, and answer any questions that you may have.
During the backfill stage, just before framing begins,
a check-set meeting is set to review the drawings before the construction of the home begins. As an XL customer, you are invited to meet with your site superintendent to review the drawings, plot plan, grade form, and any selected options.
Your site superintendent will outline the upcoming construction process, set expectations, and answer any questions that you may have. During this stage, your home really begins to take shape. The framing will start with building the engineered floor system and move on to building the walls, rooms, and openings.
The last part to be framed is the roof, before the shingles and moisture-resistant barrier are applied.
Once this is complete, the interior mechanicals such as plumbing, heating, and electrical are installed. After the mechanical installation is complete, rooms have begun to take shape. However, the inner workings are visible. At this stage, the pre-board walkthrough is a chance for you to see the quality that goes inside the walls of the home.
During the pre-board walkthrough, your site superintendent will guide you through the home to confirm that items such as outlets, structured wiring, wall switches, and lights are in the right place.
You will also be invited to sign your newly framed home and leave a personal touch underneath the walls before the drywall stage.
It's important to note that site safety is of the utmost importance and is strictly monitored and enforced by the XL Homes team. New homeowners are required to adhere to XL safety rules and regulations. During this stage, the exterior finishings are completed. This will include the installation of trim work and siding along with exterior painting.
Special polyurethane foam is applied over unheated areas such as the bonus room, upstairs bedrooms, and the garage for extra insulation and heat retention. Additionally, acoustical sealant is used to create a proper vapor seal on exterior walls. Next, drywall board is installed on the interior walls. Special moisture-resistant drywall is installed near wet areas such as the bathtub.
The drywall is then taped, mudded, as well as the ceiling is textured and ready for paint. Next up is the cabinets. The kitchen, bathroom, and wet bar cabinets are placed and installed in the home. Once the cabinets are complete, the drywalled areas go through a touch-up and sanding stage. A cabinet walkthrough is scheduled with you to confirm that the style and layout of the cabinets that you have chosen are correct. The sales team will accompany the customer at this walkthrough.
During this stage, the home's personality really starts to come to life with the interior finishings.
The trim, baseboard, and railings are installed. This is followed by painting all the trim work and walls. The tile, backsplash, and countertops are ready to go in next.
During this stage, the final touches are added to your home. Light fixtures, countertops, backsplashes, and more are installed. The flooring is also installed, including LVP, carpet, tile, and/or hardwood, depending on your selections. The final touches, such as closet shelving, sinks, toilets, mirrors, and bathroom accessories are also added. Lastly, the kitchen appliances are installed. This letter is to advise you of the next steps to finalize the closing of your new home. XL Homes will send out a 35-day letter electronically to you to confirm the possession day. This is a good reminder to make sure that you have all of the necessary information and paperwork needed for the day of closing. During the homeowner orientation, the operations of the home will be clearly demonstrated and the warranty policies will be fully explained to you. The site superintendent will also go over some important and helpful maintenance tips. This is roughly a 2-hour meeting in person. During this walkthrough, any pre-closing deficiencies in the home will be identified as per the Alberta New Home Warranty Program Pre-Delivery Inspection Guide and will be addressed. This is the day you've been waiting for, Possession Day. During this meeting, the XL team will welcome you to your new home and transfer the keys and ownership. Those in attendance include the sales, construction, and warranty teams. And there you have it. Building your dream home with XL Homes has never been easier and more enjoyable.